Hello, my name is Zina محمد and I'm a human rights lawyer working in the humanitarian sector. And today I'll be sharing a little bit about myself with all of you. Ever since I was young, I felt like I always had something to say. I had an opinion and I wanted to share it, whether it's with my family, my friends, at school, or anywhere I am in. So I felt like I want to say something, I want to share my opinions, and I want to make it be heard as well, and for things to be different and changed. But that wasn't always easy. Sometimes it was really tough, especially for a young girl. I grew up to become a lawyer. I studied law here in Kurdistan. And then I decided to complete my master's degree in international law. But I wanted to do that abroad. And that meant that I have to travel, leave my family, live alone, and do everything on my own, technically. Now, that was not always welcomed by people. I had so many people giving me comments like, how can you leave your family alone? Or how can you live alone? You're just a girl. How are you going to manage all of this? But I was so stubborn and I was so determined. I went to the UK. I completed my master's degree and I did so many great things there. If I go back in time, I would still do it again. I'm sharing this with you today because all of these things helped me to be empowered, to be strong, and to be able to speak to so many people, not only in my community, but even in international communities, and share my voice as a woman, as a young woman. It's hard, it's different, and it's not always welcomed, yes, but it's worth it. It's totally worth it. So, for any girl watching me today, if you feel like you have a dream that you want to accomplish and it seems so far away, trust me, I was in your place one day. Because of my education, my career, all of these things, I was able to help others. Through my work, through my volunteer work, it included all types of people from all walks of life. Just put your mind to it, and you can do it as well. I really value the rights of women and girls, and especially education, because that's what drives change in our communities. Not just here, globally as well.